You are not what you eat, you are what you digest. If you don't have a strong digestive system, eating even the most nutritious food will not give you good benefits. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful tips that will not only strengthen your digestive system, but will also cure all your digestion related problems that you're currently suffering from. Number 1. Physical exercise. When compared to cardiovascular exercises, strength training directly boosts your digestive power. To provide you with that strength and feed your muscles, our stomach automatically works more efficiently and our appetite is also increased. Number 2. Eat only 80% stomach full. Do you have a mixie jar at home? Now what happens if you fill it completely full and then grind? It'll obviously struggle, right? There's no space for it to, move around. But if you fill it up to 80% and leave some space, then it'll naturally grind much better. That's exactly what happens with our stomach. This is that secret habit that the Japanese follow, and they have the longest lifespan in the world. Even if you feel slightly uncomfortable or lazy after eating, then you have slightly overeaten. So always listen to that signal. Number 3. Eat more fiber. At least 50% of your diet should consist of fresh fruits and vegetables. In this modern world that we live in, most of us are eating processed packaged, refined food, junk food. Fruits and vegetables are out of fashion, bro. So the same boring lecture. Eat less junk food and more of fruits, vegetables, sprouts, nuts and seeds. What else? Sugarcane juice, honey, dates, coconut. All of that same boring stuff, nothing new. Point number 4. Fermented and sour food clean the digestive tract. According to Ayurveda, this category of food is naturally detoxifying. It removes toxins from our digestive system, cleaning it and strengthening its nutrition absorbing capabilities. Here is a list of such foods that you must eat every day. I eat all of this food every single day, okay? Let's be serious. Okay, so try to avoid heavy food like non-vegetarian food or processed oily food and junk food, fried food, all of that. Try to avoid that as much as possible. Point number 5. Regular fasting. Chalo example lete chalo. Let's say somebody fractures their hand. What they do is they apply that plaster of Paris thing and rest this hand so that body gets time for it to heal this hand and body automatically joins broken bone. The same happens with our digestive system. When we are constantly eating most of the time, our body is always digesting food and it does not get time to work on itself or heal itself. Fasting gives our body that much needed break and a chance actually to work on itself, remove the toxins and clean and heal from within. Not just digestion related problems, but people across the world have healed the deadliest of diseases by the power of fasting. You can fast on every Ekadashi, which is twice a month, or do a half-day fast every single week. Here are some smart tips that you can definitely follow along with these 5 steps. I hope this video brought some value to you and your digestive system. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abhishek and I'll see you in another video.